Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling my wig. I'm going to bleach it. I'm going to show you guys how I basically do everything, kind of. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. I forgot to say that, my bad. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. So yeah, let's just get into it, because not about the talking. Okay, I'll be using a BW2, just a little pack, and a 30 volume cream peroxide developer to bleach my lace. Not just bought this because yeah, I couldn't find my other ones. And I like to put my powder before the developer, just because I don't know, I just feel like it makes it easier, and like that I can control like how much I put in the bowl, just so it don't be too liquidy, because I want it to be like a thick texture. I want it to be super thick so it don't, get in the hair. So yeah. As I mix it, like I try to see like if it's too watery, I add more powder, because I want it to be thick. I don't want it to sip through the lace and mess up the hair. So yeah, that's exactly how I like it. And I like to use a plastic knife to apply it. And I just apply it lightly. I don't press down. You gotta be very careful when you do this. So after I applied it, I left it on for like 7 to 10 minutes. And this is after I washed it. You guys, like, it looks so different. You can already tell the difference. Like, so this is after I blow dried the hair. And before I start plucking, I like to separate my baby hair, just so I could kind of like see where I'll be plucking. And then I start plucking like maybe 2 to 3 inches behind my baby hair, because I don't like to pluck my wigs too much, and I don't like when it looks kind of like bald. I don't want to look bald, boo. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, like, I'm going across. I'm not plucking in just one spot. Another thing, like, I like to use water when I'm plucking. Like, I like to wet the hair, pluck it, comb it out, and then pluck it again, like, until I'm satisfied with how it looks. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it helps a lot. And like, if you wet your hair when you're plucking, you don't want to pluck too much, because remember, when it's dry, it's not gonna look the same. So so this is how it looks after I plucked it. And now I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow dry it. I want my wig to be as flat as possible, okay? So I'm going to start all the way from the back, okay? Because if you want your wig to be flat, you gotta start all the way from the back. Try to cover your tracks and all of that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now I'm going to take my hair wax, okay? I'm going to apply it on the hair. And then take my hot comb and start pressing this baby down. Look how flat it is. Look at that. I like to take my time, okay? I don't like to rush. So I'm taking my time and I'm making it as flat as possible. Then I flat ironed the hair, which took me a long time, about like 30 minutes to do. And this is how it looked after everything, okay? I just wanted to show you guys. And this is day 2, okay? I'm going to use my foundation. I'm going to apply that on my wig cap. And then I put the wig on. Okay, like look at that. It looks so good. And I'm going to make sure that it's secure. Okay. I cut the sides because they're just bulky and ugly. And I don't like them. I cut them before I even start cutting my lace because I want to make sure that they are out of the way. For the purpose of the video, I'm using my Got To Be spray. And I'm using the tail of my comb to just, you know, press it down as I blow dry it. And look, like, I didn't even really have to use anything. This is why I like 5x5 lace. Like, you don't have to use any type of spray or any glue if you don't want to. Now it's time for the baby hair. Okay, and I like to cut both sides before I even start doing them. I don't know, I just like to make sure that one side is not too long or too short. I plucked this side a little bit more because I feel like it was too thick. I didn't like how it was looking. I used my elastic band just to make sure that everything is laid. And look, like, what? Lace where? Now I'm taking my concealer just to make sure that the part is straight and crisp and clean and just beautiful, okay? And y'all, look at this. Like, what? Where is the lace? I'm trying to find the lace. Where is it? I don't see it. Yes, ma'am. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I had to take the camera outside just to show you what it looks like. It's giving me very much South vibe, you know. It looks so good. I'm so happy with the outcome. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. And yeah, so that's it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next